MPCC President and MLA Meghachandra says blaming the Congress party for every illegal activities in the name of ensuring good governance is a flawed and misleading approach. Referring to allegations by BJP leaders that illegal immigration occurred due to the Congress, Meghachandra countered that BJP governments at both centre and state have failed to effectively address the issue. Speaking to media at his office chamber in Manipur, Imphal today, he questioned how many illegal immigrants were deported from Manipur during the 15 years of BJP ruled at the centre and nearly a decade of its regime in the state. He urged the authorities to focus on the proper identification and deportation of illegal immigrants, strictly in accordance with constitutional provisions instead of indulging in political blame games. Meghachandra further asserted that authoritarian or dictatorial approaches would not help to restore peace and normalcy in Manipur.
Sahi tara sida illegal immigrant na hairiba home minister na samda hairi BJP ki state leaders in the hairiba mayam sinje sahi tara si kadau lai kya dictate tawre kayam khanduye kayam thadokra gaya aduna masidi akoi gi propaganda tawba adagi atopa party da taw sinati lenga afaba leba ngamoy santi porokpa ngamoy tawgadaba mathau and responsibility ani tawdaduna Congress ta sum hairi se masidi mokoi propaganda tawba aduga lenga si vote ka na kona ba political game hai batare manung da karim ta leitaba lenga ngak wa hitaba legislature sing che masi lenga ngak pa gi wakhalo leitaba aduna mar ka ngasi di Manipur se adu kimiti ware